Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing 1,000 Blooket coin pack opening, and I'm gonna be spending it on the space pack and be trying to get my first chroma, which would be the pink astronaut. So yeah, I'll be doing that, and then yeah, try to get some legendaries. Actually, I'm just gonna open 5 of each pack for now. Breakfast pack to start. Guys, oh, cereal. Okay. 2 orange juice, toast. 4, 5. Okay. Let's move on to the Wonderland pack. 3, 4. Ooh, epic! First epic of the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Ooh, epic. 3. Oh, another one. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, sorry guys, I'm a little like sick. So I need like tissues and stuff. Wait, let me check something.
Dude, that's what my feet are feeling a little cold. I need a couple more pairs of socks. Oh, got you 2 pairs of socks for 3 totals, and I got some even better than insoles, super insoles, bro. These are gonna make you way taller. Should increase the burn. You really want to go crazy, you can stack
2, 3, 4, 5.
I already have like
1,
large insoles, so
2, 3, 4.
I don't think I can put my foot in there if there's 3. I'll take the other one. This is actually a basketball hack.
Guys, there was just a button like sell all doubles or something. It'd be like so useful. I think the next Blooket update they should add that and like trading. And maybe increase the daily limit.
I think you're just short. No, I am not. That's what we do when we're this tall. Yeah. What the heck do you guys do? Why do your ankles look so big? What are you talking about? I just got a little bit bigger. A little bit taller. Probably an extra 2 inches. See if I can get it.
Yeah, so okay, let me open the up. Oh wait, let me open up a pirate pack next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Ooh. Okay, 2. And I have to open. 2. Okay. Bug back, last back. Unless. Yeah. So, guys, this is my account for this. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my alt account. So, this is my current account. By the way, this is it. I like opened ice monster packs like before this video. So because I was really bored.
I see them boots in the NBA. I like
Uh,
I'm definitely getting the background.
yeah,
Alright, Jesse, so
cause
you put it to my leg. That was pretty foul. I'm gonna need to take free
oh, I have 50 books. Okay, what pack am I closing? Yeah, I suppose. Guys, like and tell me which pack you want me to do a pack opening on. Like, I'll do anyone. Just comment and I'll do it. Bye. So, yeah, so comment, like, and subscribe, and then I'll use your idea.